Okay, here's some upgrades on our 2016 Electroglide Concept Bike. The front end's been lowered 1 inch. We've got engine guard protectors. We've got the rider boot guard on the floorboard. Adjustable brake lever. AM/FM relocator kit on the handlebars. Extended reach handlebars as well. Glove box pouches. We've got a custom touring seat. It's a little bit higher, a little bit further forward. Passenger footrests. Saddlebag guards. Passenger seat handrail. We've got some interior saddlebag organizers. Here's the 2-pouch. And below that we've got the our IS-1 in the bottom of the saddlebag. Inside the tour pack we've got our TB3 Ultra Brace. We've got a 12-volt power outlet. You'll notice the back of the tour pack doesn't have an antenna, so we can easily walk around it. Here's our single pouch saddlebag organizer, and the IS-1 in the bottom of the saddlebag as well. Custom passenger footrests. We've got our easy clutch pull installed in the clutch. Kickstand extension. Glove box pouches again. Glove box liners. We've got a nice gadget mount on this bike. Look at the adjustable clutch levers and the clutch pull. I can do it with one finger. Very easy. We've got the bike on a battery tender and a 12-inch custom windshield. And you can find all of these products at eGlideGoodies.com.